Well, welcome back to the Locust Farm and Fab Shop. We have a new project in the shop. One of the guys I go to church with brought me his 2000 Jeep Wrangler. This is a 2000 inline 6 5-speed. It's actually a pretty cool Jeep. It's all bone stock. You need to work on that. It's got 173,000 miles on winch and a winch plate. He liked the video that I did of the winch on the trailer, so he wants a winch put on this. So that's what we are fixing to do, is mount. And guys, if y'all are anywhere around North Mississippi, y'all know it's hot. Got feathers in the radiator. Anyway, so we ran straight to the battery.